All right, sports fans, history is calling. Welcome to This Day in Jamaican Sports History. Let's rewind the clock to a pivotal moment that announced a legend to the world. On this day, May 29th, 2004, a name that would become synonymous with speed etched itself into the record books. At just 17 years old, the lanky sensation Usain Bolt competed at the CARIFTA Games right here in Bermuda. He didn't just compete, he dominated the 200 meters, crossing the line in an astonishing 20.25 seconds. That time wasn't just a personal best. It was a brand new world junior record. Representing the black, green, and gold, Bolt's performance was more than a victory. It was a powerful statement. It signaled the arrival of a generational talent, a young man from Trelawney ready to conquer the global stage. This incredible feat set the trajectory for an unparalleled career filled with Olympic glory, world records, and a legacy as the greatest sprinter of all time. That was This Day in Jamaican Sports History, brought to you by All Sports Jamaica. Celebrate our heroes. Subscribe for more unforgettable moments from Jamaica's rich sporting past and its bright future. Give us a thumbs up, share, and leave a comment. Hit the notification bell.